In this video, I'm going to share 5 free methods for finding relevant keywords that you can use in your print-on-demand listings. For method number 1, I'm on Amazon.com right here, and I'm using a free Chrome extension called Productor for Merch by Amazon. That will be linked in the description. You need to have that added to your browser for this method to work. And the first step is just typing in the niche that you want to target or find keywords for into the search mask at the top. Make sure you've got an American postal code selected if you're on the .com marketplace, and then if we scroll down, we get to the first listings right here. If we scroll down below these listings, we can now get a lot of extra data from Productor, starting with the important part right here of focus keywords. So it shows you how many times the keyword has been used in the listing, plant 13 times in this case, and you can also quickly copy these to your clipboard with this button. So as we can see, we've got plants, botanical, tropical, botany. What else can we see in these other listings? Gardener, plantaholic. So you get a lot of cool sort of keyword or tag suggestions very quickly. You can also see all of the keywords in this listing underneath and copy those to clipboard very quickly, and some long tail keywords as well. So what can we see right here? Funny, tropical, botanical, plant lover shirt. That's a very long keyword, and again you can copy these to clipboard very easily. We've got plant mama shirt, that's definitely a good one. Plant lovers wardrobe, graphic botanical plant gardening shirt. So yeah, you do get a lot of variety right here. Perfect herbology shirt, just through looking at some competitors' listings. And what you can do as well with Productor is at the top you'll get these extra buttons. If we click on the sales rank option, it is going to show us the lowest BSRs at the top. So one of the best selling shirts right now in this niche is this pothead t-shirt. It's been bought 100 plus times in the past month, 14k BSR. And if we scroll down further again, we can take a look at the focus, all of the keywords and the long tail keywords. So obviously this way you can quickly look at some of the best selling shirts in your niche and take inspiration from their keywords. I'm not saying copy the exact same keywords as they are, but you can implement some of these in your listings to get found in more search terms. Therefore, increase the traffic to your designs and increase the likelihood of getting a sale. So this is a good first method that you can use totally for free. All you need is to go to Amazon.com and have Productor for Merch by Amazon installed. Option number 2 is using the free version of PODCS and their Redbubble tag generator. You can sign up via the link in the description, and there's no trial period or anything. You can use their Redbubble tools and their Etsy tools totally for free. So once you've signed up to a free account and logged into this dashboard, just click on tag generator right here and then provide a primary keyword such as fishing. Then you want to hit search, and now it's going to show you related keywords that are pulled from Redbubble listings, and you see the amount of occurrences on the right hand side, so how popular these keywords are amongst Redbubble listings. We've got fishing at the top, then fish, fisherman, nature, camping, lake, national forest, etc., fly fishing, bass fishing, fishing lovers. So as you can see, a lot of very relevant keywords. You can individually copy these over here, or you can select multiple on the left hand side and then click this blue copy button to copy all of those at once, or alternatively click the orange button to copy the entire list right here that we've got back. Now another quick tip is you can use what's called their keyword processor. That's the green button. So if we click on this, it's going to open up a new page where you've got a bunch of new options on the left hand side to further edit these keywords in bulk. So for example, I could put or click on add commas with space, and if you look at the bottom field right here, whilst I do that, now it's changed this around. All of these now have commas and a space in between, which is really handy. We can also remove duplicates, we can remove common words, single letters, and very quickly tidy up our keywords in this manner. We've got a bunch of extra options. You can also order these right here by the alphabet from A to Z, by the length of the keyword. So a bunch of options, and once you're done formatting this, you can then click on copy over here to have it copied to your clipboard so you can paste it into your listings. For method number 3, we are on redbubble.com. This is a very organic method where you're not using any tools. All I've done right here is typed in a sort of primary search term or niche that we want to target. This is Parasaurolophus, probably pronounced that wrong. It's a trending phrase or word right here on Redbubble at the moment, and when you type something in, most of the time you'll get relevant keywords or related keywords showing at the very top right here. You can also scroll to the right and then get even more suggestions. I'm guessing most of these are other types of dinosaurs that are related to this one or people also search for. And at the end, we also get best dinosaur ever as an interesting sort of long tail keyword. So you could take inspiration from any of those and you copy and paste them into your listing. I don't think, can you copy these? I think these are a bit awkward to copy, but you can definitely manage it somehow. Also, another tip, at the very bottom of the page, we get related searches. So what do people search on Redbubble that have previously searched our main keyword up here? So they also look for dinosaur, surprise, surprise. Dino is another good one. We've got prehistoric, that's one I wouldn't have thought of, and a few other types of dinosaurs. Again, I'm not going to try and pronounce them because I'll probably fail, but I think this gives you the gist of what to do right here. They make it really hard to copy these keywords, but obviously you can write them down manually as well if you wanted to. But this is definitely a good way to not just find keywords, but to also find new niche ideas sometimes. So definitely check it out. It's worth a try and can definitely help you fill out your listing SEO. Moving on from that, you can also use AI to help you find keywords. In this case, I'm on ChatGPT. I will leave a link in the description. It has a free version that you can also utilize for this. So all you have to do is type in a very simple phrase like name 20 keywords for hiking, right? So your topic at the end, hit enter, and then very quickly you're going to have a long list. These keywords are not validated from a marketplace. They don't have search volume or, you know, a number of occurrences behind it, but nevertheless, they can still help you fill out your listing data with some very relevant keywords. So in this case, we've got trail, backpacking, nature, adventure, outdoors, wilderness, trekking is a good one, hiker, mountains, forest. As you can see, these are actually pretty good keywords. If you're not happy, you can also say name 20 more, right? And see what it comes back with. Then now we've also got day hike, trailhead. What else can we see? Alpine hiking, that's an interesting one. So sort of location specific, waterfalls, hiking group, leave no trace, solo hiking. Right, so a bunch of really interesting related keywords to our primary niche of hiking right here. It only took a couple of seconds to generate them, and you can quickly copy and paste these into your listing or into the marketplace where you're selling your designs. Method number 5 is one that I've used a lot in the past, and that is the Redbubble tag generator by Merch Titans. I will have a link to this in the description. It's totally free to use and it's very easy to use as well. So all you have to do right here is type in a primary keyword. Let's try the gym, get tags, then you wait 5 to 10 seconds and it's going to give you relevant tags from the sort of top Redbubble listings of best-selling products. We get gym, fitness, workout, bodybuilding, funny, exercise, etc, etc. Bunch of really good keywords right here. You see the occurrences on the right as well, so they're ordered by the most popular one at the top, and you can click format and copy tags. That way all of these get copied to your clipboard, and if you click OK, you're also going to get a list right here where everything is separated by comma. That way you can decide how many you want to copy. I typically do this and, you know, choose, I don't know, about the first 20, something like this, or I might pick out some specific ones from the middle and then copy and paste those onto my device wherever I'm building my listing. So this is a very easy to use tool that's totally free. It's web-based as well. You don't have to log in. I think you might have to have an account with Merch Titans, but yeah, this is always easy to access and works very well and has served me a lot in the past. And a quick bonus method, we're on Etsy right now. I've opened up a listing in the horse niche, and if you want to find some relevant keywords on competing Etsy listings, then you can do that for free by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page where you can explore related searches. So here we've got a bunch of really useful keywords such as farm animal, bandana glasses, and we've got floral, horse shirt, gift for mother, gift for sister, gift for mom. So a bunch of long tail keywords that are applicable to this niche. Gifts for her, gift for horse. I don't know why you gift this to a horse, but as you can see, horse lover shirt, animal lover shirt, there's a bunch of really good keywords right here that you can copy and paste very easily. And if you look at best-selling listings within your niche, then they're obviously relevant and working for those people. So this is another great place to find inspiration whilst you're writing your listings or finding keywords to describe your designs. If you are sick and tired of writing your title, description, and tags manually for all of your designs at once, then you would greatly benefit from watching this video next, where I share a super powerful AI tool that can help you generate hundreds of listings in bulk.